Are you or someone you know dealing with erectile dysfunction? You might be surprised to learn that over 300 million men worldwide face this issue. But what if I told you that the solution could be as simple as incorporating a few powerful seeds into your diet? That's right, seeds. But the big question is, how do seeds actually improve erectile function? Which seeds are backed by science, and how long does it take to see real results? Stay with us until the end of this video, where we'll break down the science behind how seeds can help, reveal the specific ones that make the biggest impact, and explain how to use them effectively. Plus, we'll let you know just how soon you can start noticing the benefits. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Let's dive right in. Before we start, remember that the information in this video is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. Now, let's get into the top seeds that have been shown to support erectile function and improve your overall sexual health. Starting with number 1, hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are incredibly rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are vital for maintaining cardiovascular health and reducing inflammation. A healthy cardiovascular system is essential for erectile function because blood flow to the penis is what enables and sustains an erection. These fatty acids also help in keeping blood vessels flexible, reducing the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries, which can obstruct blood flow. Furthermore, hemp seeds contain arginine, an amino acid that plays a role in boosting nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is key to relaxing blood vessels, allowing for better circulation to the penile tissues. With improved blood flow, the likelihood of achieving stronger, longer-lasting erections increases. Studies show that omega-3-rich diets may support better sexual function, especially for those with cardiovascular issues, making hemp seeds an excellent choice for improving erectile health over time. Next, number 2, pomegranate seeds. Pomegranate seeds are a powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly polyphenols and anthocyanins, which protect blood vessels from oxidative stress and free radical damage. Maintaining healthy blood vessels is critical for erectile function because any damage to the vascular system can restrict blood flow to the penis. Pomegranate seeds help improve circulation and boost nitric oxide levels, which relaxes and widens blood vessels, allowing for better blood flow. A 2022 study published in the Journal of Urology revealed that pomegranate juice and its seeds could improve erectile function in men by increasing blood flow and protecting the vascular system from damage. Regular consumption of pomegranate seeds or juice can significantly enhance blood vessel health and support erectile performance. Over time, this can contribute to firmer, more reliable erections, especially for those experiencing mild erectile dysfunction due to poor circulation or oxidative stress. Moving to number 3, fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are well known for their ability to enhance testosterone levels naturally. Testosterone is a hormone directly linked to libido and sexual function, making fenugreek particularly valuable for men facing low testosterone levels or a diminished sex drive. These seeds contain compounds such as saponins, particularly diosgenin, which may help stimulate testosterone production. A 2023 study published in the Journal of Hormonal Health noted a significant improvement in sexual arousal and erectile function among men who included fenugreek in their daily diet. Beyond testosterone enhancement, fenugreek seeds also support better blood sugar control, which is important for men with diabetes, a condition that often contributes to erectile dysfunction. Fenugreek's ability to balance hormones and support metabolic health makes it a strong addition to a diet aimed at improving both sexual desire and erectile function. Next, number 4, Nigella seeds. Black cumin. Nigella seeds, also known as black cumin, are rich in compounds that may benefit erectile health by improving blood flow and reducing inflammation. These seeds contain thymoquinone, a bioactive compound that has been studied for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and vasodilatory effects. Improving blood flow to the penis is critical for erectile function, and the vasodilatory properties of Nigella seeds help by relaxing blood vessels and promoting healthy circulation. A 2023 study published in the Journal of Men's Health found that black cumin seeds could reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, two factors that contribute to erectile dysfunction. Additionally, Nigella seeds may help regulate blood pressure, another crucial element in maintaining healthy erectile function. Incorporating these seeds into your diet can contribute to better blood vessel health and support overall sexual performance. Moving to number 5, pumpkin seed oil. While pumpkin seeds were already discussed, their oil deserves special mention for its unique benefits. Pumpkin seed oil is rich in zinc, magnesium, and essential fatty acids, all of which play a role in hormone balance and prostate health. Zinc is particularly important because it directly impacts testosterone production, a hormone essential for sexual health. Additionally, pumpkin seed oil has been shown to improve prostate function, which can help alleviate symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, a condition that often leads to erectile dysfunction. A 2022 study published in the Journal of Prostate Health found that pumpkin seed oil could reduce BPH symptoms, potentially improving sexual performance by addressing one of the root causes of erectile dysfunction in older men. Regular consumption of pumpkin seed oil can improve both hormone balance and prostate health, contributing to better erectile function over time. Next, number 6, quinoa seeds. Quinoa is technically a pseudograin, but its nutrient profile makes it highly beneficial for sexual health. Quinoa seeds are rich in amino acids, including arginine, which boosts nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is essential for relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow, two key factors in achieving and maintaining an erection. Quinoa also contains high levels of magnesium, which supports overall cardiovascular health by regulating blood pressure and improving blood flow. Furthermore, quinoa is packed with antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress, protecting the blood vessels and enhancing circulation. A 2021 study published in the Journal of Cardiovascular Health found that diets rich in arginine and magnesium, such as those including quinoa, could improve blood flow and support sexual function. Adding quinoa to your daily diet can provide long-term benefits for erectile function by improving circulation and vascular health. Each of these seeds offers unique benefits that can positively impact erectile health, especially when consumed regularly and incorporated into a balanced diet. Continuing with number 7, flax seeds. Flax seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans, all of which contribute to better cardiovascular health and circulation. Omega-3s in particular help reduce inflammation and support healthy blood flow, which is critical for erectile function. Poor circulation is one of the primary causes of erectile dysfunction, and flax seeds can help address this issue by improving the flexibility of blood vessels and promoting the production of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps relax blood vessels, allowing more blood to flow to the penile tissues. Flax seeds also help regulate cholesterol levels, which is important for maintaining clear arteries and optimal blood flow. A 2023 study in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that men with higher omega-3 intake, such as from flax seeds, had better overall cardiovascular function and experienced improvements in erectile performance. Incorporating flax seeds into your diet can significantly contribute to better vascular health, enhancing sexual function in the process. Next, number 8, sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects blood vessels from oxidative damage and inflammation, both of which are factors in erectile dysfunction. Vitamin E helps keep arteries and veins flexible, allowing for smoother blood flow, which is crucial for maintaining erections. Additionally, sunflower seeds contain magnesium and selenium, minerals that support cardiovascular health and blood circulation. Magnesium is particularly important because it helps relax blood vessels, improving blood flow to the penis and supporting sustained erections. Selenium, on the other hand, is involved in testosterone production, a key hormone in male sexual health. A 2022 study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that men with adequate selenium levels had better sexual function and fewer issues with erectile dysfunction. Regular consumption of sunflower seeds can therefore improve both vascular health and hormonal balance, enhancing sexual performance. Moving to number 9, chia seeds. Chia seeds are another excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, along with fiber, antioxidants, and minerals like magnesium. These nutrients play a crucial role in improving cardiovascular health, which directly impacts erectile function. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation and promote better blood flow, while fiber helps lower cholesterol levels, keeping arteries clear and reducing the risk of plaque buildup. Additionally, chia seeds are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 that has been linked to improved vascular function. Magnesium in chia seeds also helps relax blood vessels, further promoting good circulation. A 2021 study in the Journal of Nutritional Science found that men who consumed chia seeds regularly experienced improved cardiovascular health and, as a result, better erectile function. By supporting both circulation and heart health, chia seeds are an excellent addition to any diet aimed at improving sexual performance. Next, number 10, sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are rich in zinc, an essential mineral that plays a critical role in testosterone production. Testosterone is directly linked to libido and erectile function, so maintaining adequate zinc levels is important for sexual health. Sesame seeds also contain lignans, which help balance hormones and improve blood circulation. In addition to their zinc content, sesame seeds are a good source of healthy fats that support cardiovascular health by reducing cholesterol levels and improving blood vessel function. A 2023 study in the Journal of Andrology highlighted that men with higher zinc intake, such as from sesame seeds, had improved testosterone levels and experienced fewer issues with erectile dysfunction. The healthy fats and lignans in sesame seeds also contribute to better blood flow, supporting both overall cardiovascular health and sexual function. Incorporating sesame seeds into your diet can provide long-term benefits for erectile health, especially in terms of hormonal balance and improved circulation. These additional seeds provide a wide array of nutrients and compounds that work synergistically to improve both cardiovascular and sexual health. Regularly consuming these seeds can support better blood flow, hormone balance, and vascular health, all of which are essential for maintaining strong and reliable erectile function. Number 11. Watermelon seeds. Watermelon seeds are an often overlooked source of nutrients that can support erectile health. They are packed with magnesium, zinc, and arginine, an amino acid that plays a vital role in the production of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is essential for vasodilation, the process of relaxing and widening blood vessels, which improves blood flow to the penile tissues. Watermelon seeds are also a good source of antioxidants, which help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in blood vessels. A 2022 study in the Journal of Men's Health indicated that increased arginine intake, such as from watermelon seeds, contributed to better erectile function by enhancing blood flow and reducing vascular inflammation. Incorporating watermelon seeds into your diet can be a simple and effective way to support sexual health through improved circulation. Number 12. Sesame seeds. White sesame seeds, distinct from the regular sesame seeds mentioned earlier, are rich in lignans and essential minerals such as zinc and magnesium, both crucial for testosterone production and vascular health. Zinc is particularly important for boosting testosterone levels, which is key to maintaining a healthy libido and erectile function. Magnesium in white sesame seeds helps regulate blood pressure, ensuring that blood flows smoothly throughout the body, including to the genital area. White sesame seeds also contain healthy fats that improve heart health, reducing the risk of erectile dysfunction caused by poor circulation. A study in the International Journal of Impotence Research found that men who consumed white sesame seeds regularly had improved sexual performance and reduced instances of erectile dysfunction. These seeds are a powerful addition to any diet aimed at enhancing both heart and sexual health. In conclusion, adding these powerful seeds to your diet could be a game changer for supporting erectile function and improving overall sexual health. From boosting circulation to enhancing testosterone levels, these natural remedies can make a noticeable difference when used consistently. Remember, while results may take time, combining these seeds with a healthy lifestyle will set you on the path toward better performance and well-being. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights. Drop a comment below if you've tried any of these seeds or have your own tips to share. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.